I just did some upgrades to my Specialized Stumpjumper Elite. It's a pretty old bike, but I wanted to make it a little more modern, and I'm going to share with you what I did. Starting up at the front, I added these red Specialized grips. I put some 800 millimeter wide bars, and I also added this Dior 11 speed group set. I also added this mud guard, but I've had that on for much longer. In the middle, I have this one-up components, narrow wide 30-tooth chainring. It's pretty good. I like it. And then in the back, I have this Dior XT derailleur with a clutch and a 50-tooth rear cassette. Thank you all for watching.